everybody has a different preference of how shiny they want their tires to be. Now, today we're gonna be talking about Extreme Shine, which comes in the form of Adams Polish's Aerosol Tire Shine. Now, in the Adams Polishes line, we have a few different options. We have something like our regular Tire Shine, non-aerosol, which can be shiny, but you can always knock down the shine. We have VRT, that is a straight matte finish on the tire. And we have graphene tire dressing, which can be customizable to be shiny or sort of a matte finish, but really the graphene tire dressing is protecting the surface. We didn't really have an extreme shine, like you want your tires looking plastic, right? That's what Aerosol Tire Shine is, okay? Aerosol Tire Shine is a silicone-based tire shine. Aerosol Tire Shine is extremely easy to use, and the benefit to the aerosol is it sprays a fine mist that will cover the entirety of your tire, easily getting into thick treads such as these Falcon AT3Ws. Now, how to use Aerosol Tire Shine. If it's a windy day, you're gonna wanna pull your car in and apply the tire shine inside. Because of the shininess of this product, if you spray it on a windy day, it will float and land on your car, and then you'll have to go back and wipe your car down. Now let's get into applying the aerosol tire dressing. You're gonna take this and you're gonna spray this directly into the tread block first. Just like this, okay? Getting it into all the nooks and crannies, as Adam would say. And then you're gonna spray this directly onto the sidewall. After a minute or so and it starts to dry, the silicone is a little bit easier to work with and spread out, and it will hold the shine on the tire. So sometimes when you're applying the Aerosol Tire Shine, you can get some overspray, especially if it's a little bit windy out. So have some detail spray handy with you. And if you need to, you can spray this down and you can wipe down the areas that maybe some of the overspray got on. So I always like to have either waterless wash or detail spray with me just in case I need to re-wipe my wheels down. Okay, now time to even out the Aerosol Tire Shine. So I'm not gonna push really hard. I'm not trying to remove this. I'm just using sort of the weight of my hand to even this out and give it a nice uniform look. And what it will do is it will knock down the shine just a touch, but it's still gonna keep that crazy, crazy shine on the tires like a lot of people want. As always, after you're done applying the Aerosol Tire Shine, pull your car forward 2 or 3 feet, exposing the area that was touching the ground to the top, and then you can finish applying it to the rest of your tire. You wanna let it cure for a few minutes, okay? I would probably say 10 minutes at the most, but once it's cured, it is not gonna sling all over your car. So I imagine that you're wondering what the difference is of the Aerosol Tire Shine from the other tire dressings and the other tire shine that we offer. Well, I will show you here. On this wheel right here, we have these sectioned off here. All of the tire dressings that we offer go on wet and stay on dry. So if I wipe this off, it's not gonna come off all oily and nasty, okay? This up here you can see is VRT. It is our most matte finish that you can get. And you can see from this section to here, and you can see we have tape lines here that really show the naked finish of the tire. So you have VRT up top here, which shows the extremely matte finish on here. It's gonna give a really jet black, dark look to it, but it's not gonna be shiny, okay? So that's VRT. Now, getting into our regular tire shine, the regular tire shine, okay, gives a really nice looking shine, and it's something that you can layer to make more shiny if you have to. One huge benefit for Tire Shine is it has silica inside of it. So what it does is actually last longer than most tire shines on the market. You can really see the difference between the Tire Shine and the VRT and the look you're gonna get from both. So Tire Shine, just a little bit more shiny than VRT, and more, I'd say more of like a traditional Tire Shine. It's gonna give you a nice sheen, but it's not gonna be overpowering. Now getting into graphene tire dressing, that's gonna be on the bottom here. And graphene tire dressing, you know, it's a really, really great tire dressing. It is customizable. So if you put one layer of it on, it's gonna go on a little bit more like VRT. And then if you add another layer after it has dried, it's gonna be more like tire shine. So you can really customize the look with the graphene tire dressing. And I am not kidding when I say that tire dressing lasts longer than any of these that are on this tire here. The reduced graphene oxide in graphene tire dressing is really gonna give you the longevity so you can have the look on your tires from one wash to the next. Adams Polish's Aerosol Tire Shine. Okay, Adams Polish's Aerosol Tire Shine is really gonna be like the traditional tire shine that you get at the store. It's really gonna give you the high gloss, that punch of high gloss that you want for your tires. You can really see the difference between Aerosol Tire Shine and VRT. Now, the benefit with Aerosol Tire Shine is it comes in aerosol form. So the product is really gonna atomize as it comes out the sprayer, and you can really get into all the cracks and crevices of your tire. Now, the reason why I wanted to show you guys this is because obviously there's a ton of different preferences when it comes to tire shine. Now, if you want the really crazy shine, Aerosol Tire Shine is it. If you're looking for a more traditional tire shine that you can get maybe at the store, Adams Polish's Aerosol Tire Shine is the product for you.